actually helps the skin to recover. Is that correct?
Yes. Yes.
Wow, that is powerful. Now, also a lot of people, wanted to know, if they ask, well, approximately, because everybody's face is different, the texture, the wrinkles or whatnot, approximately how long does the product take to achieve, let's say, the most desirable or maximum result? I know kind of there's variable in it, but what's how long does it normally take?
Well, there is no such thing as maximum results. I mean,
True.
The more you use it, the more benefit you're going to get, and you're going to maintain your results, because we don't stop aging. So you got to sort of do maintenance on your skin, just like we do maintenance on everything else. But in order to see give it a decent amount of time to do its work, so you can see that it works, I would do a minimum of 4 weeks. So after 4 weeks, you should see some improvement. Generally, it takes anywhere between 3 months to 6 months for most products to do their change in the molecular structure of the cells, to see the difference in collagen, in elastin, because it takes 3 to 6 months for them to renew the collagen and elastin.
I see. Now, we have one of the users that's on the product. They said that they've been using the product for 6 weeks now, twice a day, and that they still have some small browns. They believe that they're seeing improvement in the lifting and also the pore reduction, and also the lines are softening, but they still see some small brown spots are still there, and so they ask, at what point do you think that's going to diminish? And can you comment on that one?
Sure. The brown spots are a different problem. They are more difficult to get rid of, and it depends what kind of brown spot it is, if it's from the sun or if it's from hormones, or if it's a combination, or if it's actually a growth on the skin that looks a little bit dark. Those are harder to treat just with 4 weeks. Sometimes it takes, or 6 weeks, as this person did. Sometimes it takes longer to get those results, and if it's dark, we may need to add a lightening agent or a peeling agent to help get that dark spot to come off sooner.
Now, so what about for age spots? Those brown age spots. Does this product help? And if it does, approximately how long of usage do we see an improvement?
Most people who've used it noted some improvement, but it wasn't their main point of improvement. So if they're going to buy it just for the brown spots, and that's all they're going to use for the brown spots, that's not going to give them the major result that they want as fast as we can get it with combinations of this plus other agents. And that's something that we're working on developing, because I know that's a big thing for most people. But it does lighten them, and most people have seen about 10 to 20% of those dark spots lightening once they've used it for 3 months.
Wonderful. Well, now also, since this product stimulates the growth of cells, and some people that ask, is there any danger of replicating cancerous cells for those people that have cancerous cells?
Very good question. There is a big difference between the growth factors and growth hormones. What most people use for rejuvenation, they inject or the pills or whatever they do for the growth hormones, those hormones may stimulate growth of any cell, including cancer cells. Growth factors, there are other products that are in there, the cytokines and interleukins, are actually there to destroy the bad cells. So that you're going to probably get less cancer cells. You're going to destroy the bad cells and replace them with